Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Galaxy Wearable on your Android device. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up the Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Galaxy Wearable. As you do that, the Galaxy Wearable app will show. Now to download it, click on the install button. Your download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet. When your download is done, you can see an option called open. Click on it. That's how easily you can download and install Galaxy Wearable on your Android device. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.